Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe. All these things help. Watch a video to the end. Hit the little bell icon so you get notifications. Um, I really do appreciate it. I haven't made a video for a while, but we've just been watching the market go up, which is nice. So anyway, I want to take a look at where we're at and what possibly we could expect. Uh, we're at the existing high. We're at this high that we made back in right around the 14th, 13th of April. So we're sitting right at it. I want to take a look and see if we're going to turn around and go back now or what's going to happen. There is a possibility of a retracement at this point. You can see that we broke out of the triangle that we were forming here, this nice little flag pattern. If we do start to go back at this point, I would expect a retracement. First area right around the 61, second area right around that 57, and then beyond that, we'd start probably a downtrend at that point with maybe a bounce down here around 51. But more than the price that I'm actually looking at right at this point is we had this pattern forming on our relative strength. And what I'm actually looking at is for a break of this pattern here. I'm more concerned on the relative strength stopping at the top of our triangle and not retracing past the top of our triangle. The second area of support I would find would be the relative strength, finding support on the lower inside of this triangle, but I would really want to see the price stop at, or the relative strength stop at the top of this descending trend line on this triangle if we would see a retracement at this point. If we don't start receiving a retracement at this point, what I'm looking at is I don't even think the move's really started, or the parabolic part of the move. I don't believe it's even really started. If we continue up from here, I think that we're probably quickly going to go to this 76 area, right around the 76 area, and I have orders waiting to close my positions out here, regardless of what it looks like in this 76 area. We're going to want to see a break of this top, obviously, and that's where we're at now. We're just going to have to see. I'm going to have to watch it on a lower time frame and see. Anything could happen at this point, of course, it's the market. But I think if we get a break of this, then we're going to go. I'm looking at a quick move up to the 76 area and then orders waiting there to take profit. Let's drill down on a lower time frame real quick and see what we have. On a lower time frame, on our 1 hourly, you can see that we're trading this ascending channel. Our area of capitulation to the downside is right around this 60K area, 60K, 60,000, 61 area. I want to see this relative strength. Make it back down to the bottom without breaking that 61K area is what I'd like to see. We also want to pay attention to this as well. As we have this ascending trend line in our relative strength. If we see a bounce here, then we'll probably see that next move to the top. If you notice, like for this, for instance, you see those next moves, those last moves, those are usually the largest move, which is nice considering that on our higher time frame, we're sitting at right at our old so-called high. In my estimation, for us to even make an equal high, we need to get up to that 76 area. If you don't understand how I calculate this, then watch my intro video on my channel, on my home page of my YouTube channel, my front page of my YouTube channel. I would consider this 75, 76 area a equal high to this one here. And like I said, the calculations are on my home page. But so this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this forming of a channel right at this point. This is what I'd like to see. If we do have that drawback, I've told you what I'm looking for. So anyway, that's about it. Everything seems to be doing good. Um, and these last moves up to our relative, right out of our top of our relative strength, usually are the ones that really have a push. So that would be good to get us up there. Anyway, all right, good deal. So thanks for joining me today. Hope your trading is going well. Y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.